Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about wants and needs.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to rent an apartment in this neighborhood, and wonder if you can help me.
You need to talk to Sophie. She's our go-to agent for apartment rentals. Here, I'll take you to her office.
Hello, I'm Sophie. Have a seat, and tell me what kind of apartment you're looking for. Is it just for you?
Well, that depends on what's available. I'd really rather live alone, but if I don't see anything that works, I could share a bigger place with a friend of mine.
Okay. First, tell me what you have in mind.
The most important thing is the location. I want to be in the city, preferably in this neighborhood, so I can walk to the university and to the metro station. I don't have a car.
Okay, then you don't mind if there's no parking space.
Exactly. But I want a secure building. I also wanted to have a living room, a dining room, one bedroom, and, of course, a modern kitchen and bathroom. I don't really need all the bells and whistles, but I would like to have a balcony.
And what is your budget? I mean, what monthly rent are you thinking about, including utilities?
I'm hoping to find something for about $700 a month.
Look, I can tell you right now, there are no decent apartments in this area under $1,200 a month, and none of them have dining rooms or balconies. There are modern, secure buildings that are actually near the metro, but they're at least 6 miles outside of the city.
There's no way I'm going to live way out there. Do you think you could find a 2-bedroom place closer in for, say, $1,400 a month? Something I could share with my friend?
Let me do a little research this morning, and see what I can find. I'm not going to tell you that it's impossible, but I can't promise anything, either. Give me a couple of hours to see what's out there. If I find anything worthwhile, we can go have a look this afternoon. In the meantime, I need you to fill out this form, so I have your contact information. As a matter of fact, both you and your friend will have to fill out an application in order to be approved as tenants. I'm assuming you want a 1-year lease. Is that right? Oh, one more thing, you don't have a pet, do you?
Yes, I'm willing to sign a 1-year lease, and no, I don't have a pet. And I'll make sure my friend gets rid of his dog. He can leave it with his family, they have a place in the country. I'd better go give him a heads up right now.
Good. Be sure both of you bring your financial and credit information with you.
Right. We'll see you at noon, then. Thank you very much.
See you later. Improving your conversation. These are the vocabulary words or expressions used by the characters in their conversation: need, want, mind, there is, and there are, have a look, get rid of, preferably, go to, worthwhile, out there, utilities, all the bells and whistles, country, a heads up, say, in the meantime, and one more thing. Let's get started.
Need. There are several words that indicate that something is required. To need is used to require urgent attention or action to prevent damage. For example,
Are you okay?
I need a doctor. I'm really dizzy. Need.
I need a doctor. I'm really dizzy.
Why are you watering the flowers?
Flowers need water. Need.
I need a doctor. I'm really dizzy. Need. Need can also indicate a requirement dictated by someone else. For example,
How many credits?
I need 6 more credits in order to graduate. Need.
I need 6 more credits in order to graduate.
What will the children bring?
The children need to bring pencils and erasers to class. Need.
The children need to bring pencils and erasers to class. Need. To have to can indicate a personal need or an obligation to someone else. For example,
Where are you going?
I have to get my car fixed. Have to.
I have to get my car fixed.
How can I take advanced courses?
You have to complete the prerequisites before you can take advanced courses. Have to.
You have to complete the prerequisites before you can take advanced courses. Need. To be required to indicates you have to do something that is imposed by some sort of authority. For example,
Why are they not watching television?
The children are required to do their homework before watching television. Required to.
the children are required to do their homework before watching television.
Why are they wearing their uniforms inside the class?
The cadets are required to wear their uniforms to class. Required to.
The cadets are required to wear their uniforms to class. Need. A requirement is a standard imposed on someone by some sort of authority. For example,
Ability to speak another language is a requirement for this position.
That's good. I can speak 3 languages other than English.
Requirement.
ability to speak another language is a requirement for this position.
It's the requirement of the homeowners association that you keep your yard neat. No worries. I can always keep our yard neat. Requirement.
It's the requirement of the homeowners association that you keep your yard neat. Need. A prerequisite is a proof of previous instruction or ability necessary for a certain job, course, or position. For example,
Is this course open to beginners?
This course is open to beginners. There are no prerequisites. Prerequisites.
this course is open to beginners. There are no prerequisites.
Why do I need a master's degree?
A master's degree in business is a prerequisite for this job. Prerequisite.
A master's degree in business is a prerequisite for this job.
Hey, let's stop here. We are done talking about the expression need. Now for the remaining expressions, please watch over the next video entitled I want, I need, Part 1, for the meanings and uses of the remaining expressions. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.